Okay, now it's recording. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
My name is Tashina Kreilick. I'm one of the owners of Lake Missoula Tea Company. My family owns a company here in Missoula, Montana. When creating the Finley To Go, we really wanted to create something that was easy for people to take if they're headed out the door on their next adventure. We realized after designing the product that we still needed to come up with the name. And after a lot of consideration and back and forth, jokingly, we were like, we can call it anything. Finley was right at my feet, and the name Finley To Go stuck. We wanted to design a tumbler for people on the go that was easy to make tea because we saw that there wasn't a lot of options on the market. We wanted loose leaf tea to be accessible and easy for anyone to make, whether we're headed down to the tea shop, we're going down to the river, hiking the M. The Finley To Go is easy to grab and head out the door and make your tea wherever you're going. So the great thing about the Finley To Go is you can brew any type of tea in the tumbler. For optimal flavor, you can use filtered water and then always be mindful of your water temperature and brewing time. Okay, so the Finley To Go is super easy to use. The basket is inside the bottle. This is a simple twist off. Put in your tea, about a palm fill. Your tea will go in here. Close it up. This can be used with hot or cold water. And when you're ready to go, just fill with water and you're off. If Finley had a favorite tea, it would be shortbread cookie because he loves cookies. Or Finley's favorite tea would be have a headache because we're always giving him a headache. You can stop by our downtown shop in Missoula, Montana, or head to LakeMissoulaTeaCompany.com.